Alright, today we are going to take a look at 3D optical illusion lights from LE3D. These 3D optical illusion lights are operated by a USB plug. These LED lamps are great for kids' rooms, but they're also great for adults. They are a great conversation piece. These are just 3 of the many designs that are available. You also have the Eiffel Tower, a globe, and lots of characters that kids love, like Jasmine, Batman, Pikachu, Iron Man, and lots of others. Right now I have the lights down to show you what these look like in the dark, but I'll turn the lights back on to show you the device in real light. But these devices have touch control to allow you to alternate between colors. You can go from red to green, blue, yellow, cyan, pink, and white. The 8th press is a color changing mode, and the next is off. As you can see, it is cycling through the colors, and it's really pretty and quite the attraction. Just going to put all of these on the color changing mode right now. So the first one we have here is the train. The train would be great for children that are getting into the automobiles and little cars that they have. Or this is great for adults too. I know some college age friends that still love trains as much as they did when they were little. Here we have the lotus in the middle. The lotus is my favorite piece because it looks the most 3D, and this has great lines and makes it truly look like a holographic figure. And the third one we have here is Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. Now he is one of my favorite characters from Toy Story, and this would be great for those who love the Disney Pixar movies and for any age as well. Alright, so I would actually think that these would be great gifts, say for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, maybe a birthday. These would be great to match with someone's personality or interests or hobbies, or maybe if they just want a nice night light. Alright, so we're going to turn the lights back on to show you what they look like in the regular daytime. Alright, so I turned the lights up, and as you can see, these lights are still really pretty in regular light. Now, here's the box that they come in, and it says LE3D 3D Illusion Night Light. And so when you first pull the light out of the box, make sure you do peel off the film on either side, or else it will not be a 3D effect. I'm going to show you a close-up of the features of this device. So here we have a close-up. I'm going to take this out to show you the base. Here on the top we have the power button where you turn it on and cycle through the different colors. And if you long pause it, or long hold it, it will turn off. Now on the back, this is where you have your power input, which all it is a USB charging cord, and you plug it into the back. Simple. And there you go. Now you have the time to flip and change colors. Now when you have your piece of choice, all you have to do is insert it in, and there you go. It is all lit up. Let me show you what it looks like off. As you could tell, it is transparent and very sleek even when off. Alright, so now we're going to take a closer look at Buzz. He still has the same base as everyone else. He is slightly taller than everyone else though, because he is a standing up figure. He's not horizontally long. And all you have to do is take him out or put him back in. These would look great on a nightstand, a shelf, a bookshelf, a side table, anywhere where you have a convenient outlet. These would be a great addition to any type of room style or household and provide a functional light experience. As I said before, there are plenty of different options you can get with this LE 3D optical illusion light. Alright guys, so that was the 3D optical illusion light from LE 3D. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.